Hi, I apologise for the late night footage here, but this is the 19th recipe, series 2, episode 9 of Colin Bunyan Cooks, and we've got an issue to address here. March the 1st is Pancake Day. Now, I'm going to be controversial here. The Americans don't always get everything their own way. They're certainly not as good as things that they claim to be. But one thing that they are absolutely, undoubtedly better at than the English is how to make pancakes. English pancakes are terrible. They're thin, they're flavourless, and if you've watched any YouTube or you've been framed, you realise half of them end up on the ruddy ceiling. I want to show you how you make the American style pancakes, which are thicker, fluffier, and go so much better with maple syrup. If you want proper pancakes, do yourself a favour, get yourself the American style. You will thank me later. As far as ingredients are concerned, nothing too out of the ordinary. Plain flour, baking powder, 1 egg, some milk, some caster sugar, some vanilla, some salt, and some unsalted butter. 50 grams of unsalted butter. Now, whilst that is melting, we need 6.5 ounce of plain flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of caster sugar. They need to be sifted to increase the lightness. So let's just move that out of the way. So that's in shot, and pour in all the dry ingredients. So there we have it. Now we need 200 ml of milk, some vanilla extract, and a single egg. Whisk those together in the jug. And leave them until the butter has successfully melted. Butter, milk and egg mixture. And whisk in till there's no lumps. That's what it should look like. Lovely, thick, glossy, and lump free. Actually, it's a shade thick. So I'm just going to fill it with a bit more milk. Right. Probably 250 ml of milk needed than 200, but that's okay. Yeah, that's got the desired texture. Alright, should be able to just about slowly pour it. That's the texture you're wanting. This gets poured into a measuring jug and left overnight. Yes, overnight. That gets left overnight. I'll see you in the morning. Pan, low heat. Medium low. You don't want it too much because this pan is super conductive. Some butter and melt in the pan. And by the way, this mixture will serve 12 pancakes. Butter is melted. We'll grab a large serving spoon. I'm going to put in 3, about 2/3 spoon size, flatten them out as we go. And that'll need about, if I zoom in, You're going to need a fish slice, bizarrely enough. Yes, I did say that. One of these. Because you don't do the traditional flip and chuck the pancake on the ceiling. No, that's not it. You're going to start seeing bubbles around the edge of the pancake. When they start coming through the middle of the pancake on a regular basis, so you're not going to get that one there, need a few more, that's when you flip the pancake. See? Add some more butter, and whilst it's melting, I'm going to now time to drizzle on more of the golden syrup and serve. That is what pancake day should be about. Those are some American pancakes. There's one, there's two, and there's three. Now my pancake stuck together during the flipping process, but that's okay. That's what they'll look like, and I'm going to have gratuitous maple syrup over the top because I'm a big maple syrup fan. The noise you're hearing is melting of the butter because we've got the noise you're hearing right now is the melting of the butter because I'm doing another batch. So as you can see here how light, fluffy, that's how you do proper maple syrup pancakes. Oh man. American Pancakes for Pancake Day. I've been Colin Bunyan. I'll see you next time.